So I got my outdoor extension cord today, and I've got my AGM battery charging through the 22 amp smart charger here, and I've got my fridge plugged in as well, so I'm not zapping my AGM battery running the fridge while I'm just sitting here. So today's project is we're de-winterizing the freshwater tank. The freshwater tank is down here, my water pump is right here, and just going to keep filling it and flushing it as many times as I can until it's completely clear and I feel like it's safe to use and drink. So here's the freshwater intake right here. So we're filling the 5-gallon tank inside. The sink actually just drains onto the ground. So I've got a bucket under there and you can see the drain. 5 gallons fills pretty quickly. Definitely looking clearer. Dad's out there helping me dump buckets. Almost empty, and this is about the 3rd time that we filled it and emptied it. We're going to do it one more time and then fill it. It's just a little bit of a leak right here. I think I'm going to have to get some more plumber's tape. But there doesn't seem to be any other leaks in all of this, so that's good.
Breaking it loose is going to be the...
Yeah, that's on there pretty tight. Holy cow. I think you're going to have to do this, Scott, because I can't get it to budge. Don't break anything.
Yeah. That's what was making me nervous. Was I didn't want anything to bust. There it comes.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it. But I'll let you do the rest of it.
Okay. Something's got my butt. There's a twig here or something. Grab my pocket. Okay. Here's the cap to that. Night-night. So I hung a few more plants up, 2 more plants. I kind of hope to guide across the top of the van. I've decided that I'm gonna try leaving the bed made for a while and see if I like that, because the dogs seem to prefer it. The only thing is, When it's in bed mode, it's a little harder to access the storage under the benches. So we'll see. I'm going to try this for a little while and see how I like it and see how the dogs do with it. And we'll just kind of go from there. Good morning. Our mornings are still a little bit rough because the dogs think of this as camping and they're always excited when we're camping. So I'm still working on training them to be calm first thing in the morning and to sit and to wait, because they just pretty much trample me on the bed the first thing when they know I'm awake. Last night was probably our coldest night in the van without heat. It's 38 this morning, which it was only supposed to get down to 47 last night. In a couple more days, it's supposed to actually get down in the 20s for just a couple of nights. So probably we're going to crank up the propane heater over here, which you can't see because it's still too dark in here. But so far things are going okay. It's just getting the dogs used to it. Like I said, they still are pretty excitable because it's new and it's an adventure and they're excited about it. So I think when it starts to become just another day in the van for the dogs, it'll go a lot smoother. We're getting there though, aren't we, babies? Trying to get things all worked out and get the dogs used to it before I have to return to Lubbock and do a couple of jobs and an art festival down there. One thing too that I noticed last night, they're burning ditches and stuff here, and at least I'm pretty sure that's what it is, but I could smell smoke last night. I mean, I have asthma. It didn't really impact my breathing, but I think if it were any worse that it would have. And so I'm wondering if there's maybe a little tiny air purifier or something that I might be able to buy and keep in the van during situations such as that, where it might actually come in handy. But I don't know, I'll do some research about that. But we're about to go out and do our potty business. I see some pink in the sky out there. Do you see it, Hazel? Just wait. Wait. Okay. I already tell which window the dogs are going to be looking out of the most. So I ended up using both of the curtains that go across here just because I thought it looked a little bit better than having one fully stretched out, and it's probably a lot more effective with two of them on there. But I found this came on a tool bag that I had, this Velcro strap with a carabiner on the bottom. So I've hooked it to the fridge handle down here, and then this Velcro strap goes around the curtain, and that's what keeps the curtain out of the way when I drive and during the day. Let's see how my plants are doing. Good morning, little cactus babies. So I just need my tea mug and my laptop because I'm gonna go in and work at Mom and Dad's house a little bit. How you doing, Bandy? Hi, Bandy. There we go. Yeah. Nice. New steering wheel cover. Feels good. That old one it was so brittle that it just cracked and ripped and just fell right off. So it was definitely time to put a new one on. And it was also really sticky, so every time I drove, my hands would just stick to it. So it's pretty grimy and dirty and gross. So this feels a lot better. This is the old steering wheel cover. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this short one, and hopefully I'll have another one for you all soon. So take care. I hope you all are doing well, and we'll see you soon. Did you want to go up all the way around? Go up on the hill and back down?